a good business case, which is usually sponsored by either like the sponsors or other alumni or like members that decide to participate. Usually it's the sponsors who are companies or agencies that put this prize in place. Can be either participation to an event or like an internship into one of the companies or other kinds of like opportunities to bring the business case and the idea further. Plus, it's also a very good networking opportunities because here there are a lot more like local people that then allow you to connect. And also there have been some cases in which real startups were created after this event. We will launch soon the new edition of the Italian Space Startup Competition, which will be the 5th edition, which will take place in Rome around like March 2024, and it will be hosted at the Italian Space Agency. Also here, what is the process to participate? If you want to participate as a member, then the call will the event will be sponsored later on in next month. Well, if you want to participate in the organizing team, we will launch the call very soon. There is an application process, like a selection process, and then a team is formed. So also in these cases, as for every other event of HGC, there are different roles that you can apply for. So either be like the leader of the event, or you can be the one dedicated to the delegates, the person dedicated to the program, or the person who takes care instead of like the sponsors or coming up with other organizational parts. And then another event that took place in Italy this year is the SGW. We have heard of it before, which is a European event in these cases, but we are quite proud that this took place in Italy this year. And you see here a picture, and in the panels on the sides, you see part of the sponsors who also really supported this event. And during the event, there were lots of panels and working groups. And then at the end of the event, the groups, which discussed a lot on several topics that then brought their vision at the end of the event to the whole participants and sponsors. Okay, Selena, to conclude, we're almost at the end.
Yeah, so to be sure, this event is organized by a project, so the Diversity and Gender Equality Project in SGC, and we received the grants to do this through the Women in Aerospace Europe and the Barbie project. And it was cool because we saw this allowed us to go in 6 different countries, for now more, to at least one middle or elementary school and do a space workshop. And so in this case, you see our Italian team in a school in Rome during this workshop where we created this booklet. They also took home to do some further exercise. And this is a satellite that one of the kids made. Yeah. And I think that's everything.
Thank you very much, Alessia and Silene. So, okay, I'm now here with the other 2 representatives of the Polyspace, Isha Tazzin and Giovanni Romano, but also should be connected Ilaria. And in the meantime that Ilaria will appear, I will have a question for you from Zoom. What would be reaching contact after becoming member of SGAC for engagement and collaboration?
I'm not sure
you have also
understood. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you release the screen? Sorry. In the meantime, so that Ilaria could share the screen. And the question is about after becoming member of your association, which is the link to became also to be engaged, became, let me say, have an active role in your organization?
Yep. So I was sharing like the screen because you have here the contacts of me and Selena. So either you can reach us by email if you have further questions, but there's also the website. So if you type in Google like SGAC association, you reach our website, and there are all the open positions, but also the project groups. So depending on how you want to be involved, you can reach out. So if you want to be part of the project group, you just there are the contacts there for each project group. You can apply and ask to be a member of the project group, and then they get you involved also in publications, discussions, and meetings, and so on. Or if you want to be involved in the Italian events, again, you can reach out to me and Selena, or directly apply to the positions that we basically publish for the dedicated events.
Okay, very clear, Alessia and Selena. Thank you very much.